In today's video, we're going to show you two different methods for installing our hockey stick around your skirting. Let's start with method 1, which is removing a section of your existing skirting. Right then, let's get to it. Using an offcut of your hockey stick, place it against the outer edge of your architrave down by the skirting and mark the outer position of the hockey stick. Once marked, use a multi-tool with a suitable cutting attachment to cut and remove the marked section of the skirting. Once removed, you'll now be able to slide your hockey stick between your skirting and architrave. Now let's move on to method 2, which is removing the lower rebated section of your hockey stick so it simply sits over your existing skirting. Ideal if you don't have a multi-tool. For this method to work, it's best that you have a square skirting profile installed like this for the best results. With that out of the way, simply start by measuring the height of your skirting and transfer this measurement to the face of your hockey stick. Then take a measurement of the rebated section on the back using a combination square and transfer that measurement to the front of your hockey stick. This is the section you'll remove. Clamp down your hockey stick and carefully cut out the marked section. Once this section is removed, you can now simply fit your hockey stick over your existing skirting. And that's both methods covered on how to install our hockey stick around your skirting. If you need a full rundown on how to install our hockey stick, check out our full DIY video shown on the screen now. Other than that, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest videos. We hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.